Hi, this is Motorola Moto G34 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap to Network and Internet. Click here to Wi-Fi section, and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off we should click to the switcher. After that you could select one from the networks and enter the password. Tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. So to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click here to this icon. To launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. After that, just select one from the networks, enter the password and tap to connect. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.